Imagine discovering a 600-year-old book written in a language that nobody in the world can fully understand. This is the mystery of the Voynich manuscript. Talking. The number 5 Voynich manuscript is one of the world's most mysterious books. It is believed to have been created around the early 15th century. And it contains hundreds of pages filled with strange symbols, unknown writing, and unusual illustrations. The manuscript includes drawings of mysterious plants, stars, astronomical charts, and strange biological diagrams. But the most fascinating part is its writing. The text is written in an unknown script that researchers have studied for decades. Yet no one has been able to conclusively decipher it. The book is named after Wilfrid Voynich, a bookseller who acquired it in the early 20th century. Today, the manuscript is preserved at Yale University, where researchers continue to investigate its origins and meaning. Some theories suggest it could be a lost language, a secret code, or even an elaborate hoax. But so far, there is no universally accepted explanation. The biggest mystery remains: who wrote the Voynich manuscript? And what was it really trying to tell us? Talking the number 4. Antikythera mechanism is one of the most mysterious technological discoveries from the ancient world. It was discovered in 1901 inside the remains of a shipwreck near the Greek island of Antikythera. Scientists believe the mechanism was created around the 2nd or early 1st century BCE. It contains a complex system of bronze gears, wheels, and dials packed inside a small wooden case. What makes it extraordinary is what these gears could do. The mechanism could track the movements of the sun and moon, predict solar and lunar eclipses, and help calculate important astronomical cycles. Because of its incredible complexity, it is often described as the world's first known analog computer. For many years, scientists could not understand how the device worked because it had been badly damaged and corroded underwater. But modern X-ray imaging and 3D analysis have revealed many of its hidden gears and inscriptions. The biggest mystery is that no other ancient machine of exactly this complexity has been discovered. Talking the number 3. Nazca lines are a collection of enormous ancient designs carved into the desert floor of southern Peru. They include figures of animals, plants, humans, and mysterious geometric shapes. Some of the most famous figures include a monkey, hummingbird, spider, condor, and whale. Many of these designs are hundreds of feet long, while some stretch for several hundred meters. The Nazca civilization created many of these famous geoglyphs between roughly 200 BCE and 600 CE. They made the lines by removing the dark surface stones of the desert, exposing the lighter colored ground underneath. One of the biggest mysteries is why they were created. Some researchers believe the lines had religious or ceremonial purposes. Others think certain lines may have been connected to water, astronomy, or rituals. What makes the Nazca lines even more fascinating is their incredible scale. From the ground, many of the designs are difficult to recognize. Their true shapes become much clearer when viewed from above. Today, the Nazca lines remain one of the world's most famous archaeological mysteries. Talking the number 2 Roman dodecahedron is a small, hollow object made mostly from bronze. It has 12 flat sides, which is why it is called a dodecahedron. Each side contains a circular hole, and the holes are usually different sizes. These mysterious objects have been discovered across parts of the Roman Empire, especially in areas of modern-day Britain, France, Germany, and the Netherlands. Most examples are around 4 to 12 centimeters in size and often have small knobs on their corners. Some also contain decorative patterns or markings. The biggest mystery is their purpose. Archaeologists have suggested many theories. Some believe they may have been used as measuring instruments, astronomical devices, candle holders, or tools for calculating distances. Others have suggested that they could have had a religious or ceremonial purpose. However, there is no universally accepted explanation. Even after many discoveries, Scientists still cannot say with certainty what these objects were actually used for. What makes the Roman dodecahedron so fascinating is that the Romans left behind many written records. Yet they apparently never clearly explained this strange object. Talking the number 1, the top mysterious book. Göbekli Tepe is an ancient archaeological site located in southeastern Turkey. It contains huge T-shaped stone pillars, some of which are decorated with detailed carvings of animals such as snakes, foxes, scorpions, and birds. The site is incredibly old. Some of its earliest structures date back to around 9600 BCE, making Göbekli Tepe one of the world's oldest known monumental sites. What makes it so mysterious is that it was built by people living thousands of years ago, long before the rise of the Egyptian pyramids. For a long time, archaeologists believed that large monuments could only be built after humans developed agriculture and permanent settlements. Göbekli Tepe challenged that idea and changed how researchers think about the development of early human societies. Another mystery is its purpose. Some researchers believe it was a ritual or ceremonial site, while other interpretations suggest it may have served several different functions. Even more fascinating, parts of the site were deliberately buried thousands of years ago. Why the ancient people buried these massive structures remains an important question. If you enjoyed our video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and share your thoughts in the comments. And stay tuned for our next video.